everybody, this is Michelle with Creative Operation and Country Craft Creations, and I have a video share for you. This is my next design team project, and I get to work with two great collections, and I just thought I'd go through this real quick and share with you what I'm going to be using. I already have projects lined up, a couple of them, and one of them, Cheryl, if you're watching, one of them is for you, and I know you know what I'm talking about, so I hope you guys like it. So this time I'm going to be using, I decided to I've been doing a lot of Halloween. I still got a lot of Halloween to go, projects that I've got in the works and everything. But I thought I'd kind of dive into fall. And so I went with the fall themes for my next design team project. So Country Craft Creations has got this great package called Fall Breeze, and it is absolutely it's stunning. It's really stunning. So we're going to do that. And then I also got Echo Park's Fall Fever. So I've got kind of two different things going on here with fall, and it's going to be amazing. So in my design team package, I got the 12x12 and the 8x8 papers for Fall Breeze. And again, these are exclusive to Country Craft Creations. We're going to go through these real quick. So I'm going to put this one off to the side. And I'll put this off to the side for a second. We'll go through that in a minute, and we'll just go through Fall Breeze first. So this is a stunning collection, and I think what drew me in were the blues and the purples in here. It just, with the maroon, absolutely gorgeous. So let's go through. So in the 8x8 package, again, you get two of the cut apart pages, and these again are really easy to fussy cut out by yourself. So if you have to, do it by hand, I don't have a Brothers Scan and Cut. I really want one, but you know what? I don't have any room in my craft room anymore, so I either need to get rid of some stuff to make room or something. But look at the colors. I mean, just absolutely beautiful. So you get two of those, and then you get 2 pages of the cut apart cards, and then 2 banner stickers. And look at this bottom one, books. Love it. Love it, with the tractors and the pumpkins and everything. It's super cute. On the back of this, look at the images. These are so cute. The rest of the papers, you get 3 of each one. So you have this beautiful plaid, and on the back, look at the florals on this. You guys could go so feminine or so masculine depending on what you wanted. I mean, it's just absolutely gorgeous. I love the boots, the suitcase here with the books and everything. Absolutely beautiful. This beautiful plaid image here that's all distressed. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. The colors are just, fall's my favorite. Halloween's my favorite. Fall, Halloween, all that, this is just right up my alley. So I just love it. Oh, the bicycles with the basket of flowers. Look at that. Cute. And then the florals back here, just gorgeous papers. Look at the blues. Look at the blues. The blues are gorgeous. The purple, all just absolutely. This paper collection, every time I see one, I think this is my favorite collection, and then she comes out with something else, and I am just in awe of this one. This one is so pretty. So pretty. The colors are so good. You get great value in these paper packs because you get 3 pages of each design. Is that cool or what? The pumpkins, the plaid back here, super beautiful. And then more bicycles and more florals here. And then on the back of this, look at that. That's a knit sweater. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So that is Fall Breeze by Country Craft Creations. I got the 8x8 and the 12x12. So I'm really excited to be using that. I'm super stoked about that. Then let's move on into Echo Park's Fall Fever. This is a fun collection. So I got lots of stuff. We'll start with the frames and tags. So I got a package of that. Super adorable images. Very cute, very clean. I love the colors. Again, the blues really drew me in. So I'm really, really liking the blues in this. We're going to go through the papers in a minute. I did get the enamel dots, so I'm going to be playing with those. I got the Ephemera Pack. I love these packs. These just make really cute additions and tuck spots and tags and all that stuff. And then I got the adhesive brads because I just love these. These are really fun to put on the books, but they're also fun to put on the ends of your ribbons for dangles and things like that. So I just love that. And then it has some chipboard pieces here as well. So I really like using these. So I've got the chipboard phrases and the chipboard accents, so I love using these. I did not get the puffy stickers, but there are available in the store if you would like to get those. And then let's go into the papers. So I did get 2 of each. So I got this cute wood grain, and on the back of that are these great pumpkins. We've got sunflowers here, and on the back of this are the cut apart papers. And I always, whenever I order, like if I order the pack, I order these separately, but if I order the pack, I always like to get extra of the cut apart sheets, because then I can use the cut aparts and I can use the pattern paper on the back. So that's kind of my little hint. And then I love that they have some different sizes in here as well. So you got the 3x4s, you got 4x6, but you also got the 2x2s as well. So I think that's fun. And then you have this beautiful little blue pattern here, and on the back of that, the leaves. Look at the leaves, the plaid leaves. I love it. Love it. Beautiful papers. I'm so excited. I've got a couple projects. I've got a lot of Halloween stuff. I've got some fall stuff in my brain that I really want to get together and do. So this is going to be, I've got 2 great collections. This is again another cut apart sheet with more 4x6 papers. So again, I got 2 of them so I could use the fronts and the back. Love it. Love it. And then let's see, here's a pretty yellow. On the back of that is this gorgeous plaid. I love fall colors. My favorite. Fall's my favorite. Have this great pattern here on the back of that. This is really, the leaves and the wreaths are just gorgeous. I love the blue. The pop of blue is gorgeous. And then your pumpkin tractors. Super cute. It says Happy Harvest all over it. And Hello Pumpkin. And then more cut aparts. So these are 4x4 cut aparts. Get a lot of them. And those are fun for tuck spots and making pockets and pages and things like that. So I love that. Here's the red and the beautiful flowers. And then look, the acorns are kind of interspersed all over the place. So that's really cute. Florals. Lots of pretty paper. I love it. And the way I make my albums, I just love to have 2 of everything. And I definitely like to be able to have the backs of the cut aparts, so I can use all my cut aparts and still have the other page. So 3x4 cut aparts, super adorable. These are all available from Country Craft Creations at countrycraftcreations.com, and they're just gorgeous, just gorgeous. So when I got them, I ordered 2 of everything here as far as paper goes. And you got this plaid. Look at that, that's super cute too. And you could fussy cut these little things out too. If you have scraps left over after you cut them out for pages, you could fussy cut all these little things and make your own ephemera. So, you know, super easy to do. And then, let's see, I got the sticker sheet, because you always have to have a sticker sheet, right? Cannot not get that. So I did that. And then they have coordinating cardstock. So I got 2 of each. And okay, so you have these colors here, the yellow, green, and the brown. And then when you turn it over, you have the red, orange, and the blue. So absolutely stunning colors. I love it. I love these papers. So I got all of that for the Echo Park Fall Fever collection. And then I got the 12x12 and the 8x8 of Country Craft Creations exclusive Fall Breeze. And then I added to my order, I got the navy cardstock and I got the olive cardstock that I thought would go absolutely perfect with this collection, and I was right. It goes with all of it. So this is what I'm going to be using for my design team projects coming up in October. I hope you enjoy it. I will be back soon with some tutorials for you. I'm excited to show you what I've got. So thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.